In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Notion dashboard more aesthetic. Whether you're a student, professional, or someone who loves organization, having a visually appealing workspace can make a huge difference in how you feel about using it daily. So, let's dive right in and transform your Notion dashboard into something beautiful and functional. To start, you'll want to open up your Notion dashboard. This is your main workspace, where all your notes, tasks, and projects come together. It's your creative hub, so making it look inviting and personalized is key. Take a moment to visualize how you want it to look, because this sets the tone for the rest of your customization. Once you have your dashboard open, the first step is to add a cover photo. You'll see an option that says Add Cover at the top. Click on it, and you can choose an image from Notion's library or upload one of your own. If you decide to browse Notion's selection, you'll find a variety of themes and colors that can set the mood for your workspace. Alternatively, uploading a personal photo can add a unique touch that resonates with your style, whether it's a serene landscape, a motivational quote, or just something that makes you smile. After the cover is set, it's time to add an icon. You'll notice a button near the top labeled Add Icon. When you click this, you'll have the option to select an emoji or upload a custom icon. Emojis are a fun and simple way to give your dashboard some personality. Think about choosing one that aligns with the theme of your cover image for a cohesive look. If you're opting for a custom icon, consider something that represents you or the core function of your workspace. This little detail can make all the difference in creating a cohesive visual experience. A key tip to remember is that consistency in colors and themes between your cover image and icon can greatly enhance the appeal of your dashboard. This doesn't mean everything needs to match perfectly, but having complementary colors or a similar aesthetic can provide a unified look that feels intentional and thoughtfully organized. By simply updating the cover and icon, you've significantly improved the visual experience of your Notion dashboard. This personalization not only makes it aesthetically pleasing, but also can improve your productivity by creating an environment where you want to spend time and do your best work. Additionally, regularly updating these elements can keep your workspace feeling fresh and inspiring. Thanks for tuning in today to learn how to enhance your Notion dashboard's aesthetics. Feel free to experiment with different images and icons over time to find what truly makes your workspace feel like your own. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on how to make the most out of your tools and work environment. Until next time, happy organizing.